This is just a quick video on how to deal with your Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner Mazda Tribute rear wiper not touching the glass on the ends. This is off my 2002 Ford Escape, and this is a modified wiper. This is a stock wiper. They're both Bosch 10-inch traditional blade wipers. This wiper was only touching the glass between about here and here, so I wasn't getting a full sweep every time I would go back and forth. So what I did was just take a pair of needle nose pliers or whatever you got and bend in the ends. You can see here and here. I bent those tabs down, and it just gives the wiper, put them up against each other, a little bit more profile and allows it to get that full sweep. Super simple modification, take you 5 minutes and give you a lot more field of view out of your rear window.